Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. And today I'm going to show you how to subscribe in the Notion application or Notion website. So the first thing that you will need to do is to open your Notion desktop client, or you can just connect to your web portal and connect with your Notion accounts. After that, you will need just to follow these simple steps. So the first thing that we will need to do is to go to our workspace settings so we can upgrade our plans. So here we will find the workspace icon, we click on it, and here we will find all the accounts or the workspaces of your Notion application, and then we will need to go to the settings. Here down we will find settings and members. After that, you will find something called upgrade, and here where we can have our subscription. To do so, you will need to choose the subscription that you want, either the plus or business or enterprise plan, and also you can add the AI into your plan. So basically, you will need to click here to upgrade to plus or add to plan to have it here in your workspace, and then you will need to add your billing information. So basically you will have your card number and other informations of your payments. So after that you will need just to confirm. So you will need just to click on upgrade to plus, and you will have your subscription that has been done successfully in the Notion application. So basically this is how you do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.